About this item: AETDQR03 countertop dishwasher with upper and lower rotating spray arms provide corner-to-corner coverage, washing temperature range, 122 degrees Fahrenheit-167 degrees Fahrenheit, thoroughly dissolve grease stains, transforming crusty, greasy, or messy dishes into clean, ready-to-use place settings. In addition, compared with manual dishwashing, this dishwasher uses only 1.3 gallon of water, which reduces water consumption by 80%. It also only consumes 0.135 to 0.439 kilowatt-hour of electricity per cycle and saves floor space. Dimensions: product depth, 16.75 product height, 18.05 product width, 16.86 product weight, 26.46 pounds. Noise level, 50.2 dB. With the portability of a countertop dishwasher, you can move it into a RV, boat, or cabin in the woods. Pick up your portable countertop dishwasher and take it with you. Capacity: 4